Hi guys, it's me, Katie, with SPI Enterprises. It's been so long since I've done one of these that my nerves are a little crazy, so say hi. Hopefully it'll be someone I know. Share the video so your friends can see. If you haven't heard, Shannon and I are expecting a baby, so I've been so tired, and I just haven't done any lives lately, so I apologize. I'm standing over at the corner by Eldon Drug, so you guys can see it from far away. Hi guys, say hi when you get here. So we've painted the windows, where the windows will go, all the framework black. And so we still have a little, hi Sam, we still have a little bit of the white left over from all that mortar that was on the building, but it's almost all gone. If you see back there, it's kind of a little bit of a different red color. That's because we are tuck pointing the building. Tuck pointing means that sometimes in older buildings that the grout falls out between the bricks. So when you tuck point it, you're putting that mortar back in there so that it will all stay together. Okay, so we still have one window up there. That window and all these windows, hopefully, and the doors, hopefully, will all